Hello everyone, welcome to CyberHack Daily channel. This is the first video in our Cybersecurity Beginner to Expert series. If you are new to cybersecurity, don't worry, you are in the right place. By the end of this course, you will have real practical skills that professionals use every day. So, we need to start with the basics. What is cybersecurity? Why is it important? And how does it affect your daily life? So, what is cybersecurity? In a simple term, cybersecurity is just protecting digital stuff, your devices, networks, and data from attacks. It's like putting locks and cameras on your house, but for your online world. Cybersecurity isn't just one tool or one software. It's a mix of people, technology, and working together to stop hackers, data leaks, and system damage. Why does it matter? Think about how much of your life is online right now. Your photos are online, your messages, your bank accounts, and even your work or studies. Now imagine someone else have access to them. Every year, millions of people and companies are hit by cyber attacks. Passwords get leaked, bank accounts get hacked, websites go down, and sometimes it's just one mistake that causes it. Cybersecurity protects our privacy, our money, and even national security. Let me give you a real story. In 2017, a ransomware attack called WannaCry spread like wildfire. It hit more than 230,000 computers across 150 countries. In just a few days, hospitals had to cancel appointments and surgeries. Companies were forced to shut down systems. Even governments were locked out of their own computers. The attackers encrypted files and demanded money to unlock them. That one global incident proved how serious cybersecurity really is. What do you think? Who actually needs cybersecurity? A lot of people think cybersecurity is only for big companies or IT professionals, but the truth is anyone using the internet needs it. That includes students, business owners, remote workers, governments, every individual. Cybersecurity protects you from things like identity theft, hacked account, online scams, and data leaks, even if you don't see it happening. Cyber threats comes in all shapes and sizes. Here are a few you will hear about a lot. Malware, malicious software that damage or control your devices. Phishing, fake emails or messages trying to steal your information. Ransomware, locks your file and demands payment. DDoS attack, flood a website so it goes offline. Insider threat, attacks from people with access. Some threats are obvious, others are sneaky. Some hit big companies, others quietly target individuals. What you will learn in this series. We will start with the fundamental and build up step by step. You will learn how hackers attack systems, tools like Wireshark, Nmap, Kali Linux, and Metasploit, how networks work and how to protect them, scanning and finding vulnerabilities, basic of ethical hacking, malware, and how to detect it. We will even talk about certification and careers in cybersecurity. By the end, you won't just understand it, you will be able to use it. So what's next? In the next video, we will go deeper into a different type of cyber threat with a real example and simple demonstration. If you are serious about learning cybersecurity, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part.